Hi, welcome back to this video. We're talking about using Centrify Privilege Service to provide password and jump box services to your EC2 services in AWS. You can use this knowledge for your own data centers, for other providers like Azure. And the video before this one, we talked about how we created a resource that registered itself. I did it manually using Kerberos, and the idea is that when a system gets built, it will actually register it into privileged service so it's usable for the jump box. But what about accounts, right? So maybe we also want accounts to be managed and registered automatically by the system. So in this video, what I'll walk you through is being able to, for example, manage the password for EC2 user. So one of the things that I did before the video is that I randomized the passwords for the EC2 account and I changed it, right? Centrify provides a command, it's called csetaccount, right? And csetaccount allows you to be able to set an account in privileged service under a resource, right? So in this case, is the EC2 account is very popular, right? It's an account that is used for management or for access, default access. So let's go ahead. Basically the system is already joined to privileged service. I'm just gonna modify this command a little bit here, and I think it's in my home directory. And we have to do this with EasyDo. And this should allow me to register that account under that as resource. So if I look in here, notice that if I do account actions, there's no accounts listed on this resource. So let's go ahead and do that. And just gonna go try and get a one-time token. So the system authenticates with Kerberos with the cloud connector. Then the cloud connector will get a one-time token. And it will provide the machine with the account and the secret, and it's going to rotate it automatically. So if I go back here and I do account actions, what you'll see is that now I have an EC2 user account. I can check out the password if I want to. Notice that that's the password right there. Or let me go ahead and check it in. One of the coolest features is the ability to check out the password from the CLI. So I could actually go, if my script needs the password string, I could do a cgetaccount, in this case EC2, and you would never do this in real world, but in this case it's checking it out and it's going to display it on the screen for me, and it's going to be rotated automatically in a minute. So notice that we haven't even rotated the old one, but the key here is that you can use any of your scripts, any of your facilities that can make a call to the CLI that can get that password, use it, and then rotate it automatically after it's used. The flip side of this is being able to leave the domain, right? So I'm actually the privileged service, so you could use the cleave. So cleave -k in this case. I think I'm gonna do verbose, and this should basically make sure that the machine is gone. So let's do a delete. Of course, we need an option, so we want to delete the machine over there. And let's go ahead and do that. What else are we missing here? So we leave -k, verbose, -m to use the machine credential. So my expectation is that this resource is gone. There you go. It was really fast, so it went away. And again, you can join the system. You can, remove the system from the CPS using the CLI, and this is going to be very useful, especially if you're building a system and you're launching a new instance. You need that machine to be registered automatically with your jump box. If it needs any secrets to be stored at the same time, you can do that as well. And very simple commands that have been added to the CLI toolkit.